the 2020 Toyota 4Runner. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, heated seats, front fog lights, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and a split-folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.